Jenin, malinaw ang sinabi ng Ebanghelyo. Whatever God has joined together, no human being must separate, sapagkat ang sakramentong ito ay isang regalo mula sa Diyos.
One step at a time.
Jenin here present for lawful wife according to the right of her Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you know, you're not in this on your own. Only darling, I would never let you go.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love, my fidelity, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul. From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Kung maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ko palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito ko.
Jenin, do you take King here present for your lawful husband according to the right of Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi, pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman